Here's a shoe box we've retrofitted. Again, it was a 400 watt metal halide and we've switched it to a 93 watt LED, saving you 80% of your electric costs. Again, it's a simple installation. We're going to remove the existing ballast and bulb. We have a bracket that we mount to the back of the wall, the ballast wall. We screw right in for security. The bracket that holds the light engine actually you can rotate it, so we're shining some light out onto the parking area to allow for optimal spread. Here we got Donnie working on a shoe box again. You can see he's installed the LED driver in the old ballast compartment. Right now he's attaching the LED light engine head to the mounting bracket. Again, the bracket's got a back plate on it screwed in for security. Donnie, how much time do you think these take per head?
20-30 minutes.
20-30 minutes. If you're good, they're 20 minutes.
If you're good, they're 20 minutes.
He's tightening down. As you can see, he's kind of setting an angle again so that it shines out towards the direction you want it to. If we have back-to-back heads here, so we're pointing them both outwards towards the parking spots and the drive. Got the unit tightened down. He's now connecting the lead wires to the LED light engine, low voltage. Again, we're working with 93 watts going from 400. Goes up the ballast area. Remove the protective cover. Other ways to install, we also can go right into a mogul or regular base and screw into the socket just like we've done in the past. When we do that for a permanent install, we like to line the connector points with silicone just for extra security. Final adjustment. Close her up and we're ready to go. That's all it takes.